Now, another common feature or another common appearance attribute on web pages is transparency, right? You'll often find the need to be able to control the transparency of content. Well, how would you do that? Well, you can use the CSS attribute opacity or the CSS attribute filter alpha for Internet Explorer. So opacity works for all browsers with the exception of Internet Explorer, whereas IE uses filter alpha. Now, since I'm not using IE, I shall use the opacity attribute to control transparency. So now this is, as we have seen so far, the default appearance of my web page, right? So what I'll do now is I shall specify an opacity of 1. Okay, let's do that. Let's save this and hit preview. So once again, as you expect, you don't see any change because what essentially we've specified is that they should be 0 transparent or 100% opaque. Now what if I change this to 0? Okay, so we'll be saying that, alright, I want this div to be 100% transparent. Well, what does that mean? You cannot see the div at all, right? In most cases, you will use a value between 0 and 1. Okay, so let's say we want to make it a 50% transparent, right? So we'll use zero point 0.5, save the file, hit preview, and there you see. Now you've introduced a 50% transparency to this div content.